floor of the CME Group. This is Danny Riley with today's MrTopStep update. You know, these trading floors are very active down here today. From the interest rates over here, to the grain room over there, to the meats, and to the S&Ps, everything is hopping today. You know, we're not going to touch on any of this stuff about the G7 intervention or the UN no-fly zone. That's on every news channel out throughout the world. What we're going to do is we're going to get to the point about what's happening here on the trading floor and the markets and the moves that we've seen this week. Now, thanks to NinjaTrader, they've given us a 5-day chart of the S&P and a 5-day chart of the crude oil. Now, this week the S&P made a low of made a high of 1298.75, and then on Wednesday made a low of 1241 even. That's a 58 handle drop in 2 days. And since then, the S&P has retraced itself back up to 1285 today, which is the high of the day, which MrTopStep came out on its report and put that level out as a possible resistance level. The market sold off to 1277, and we're bouncing a little bit now as we speak. Crude oil made a low on Wednesday at 96.22, and then made a high yesterday at 103.66. That's a $7.44 rally. You know, this type of price action is really what people live and die for down here. But when you get into instances of extreme volatility like this and margins are being raised, it generally means that the bus has gotten too full in certain areas. And when we say that, example would be the crude rally up to 107 and the flush out down to 96.98. That tells us that too many people got long into the rally. Now over in the S&Ps, the sell-off came as we made a double top at the 1333 level. We made a series of higher lows, and then the market sold off. We've almost made a 100 handle sell-off there. Now the bear bull sentiment has turned very negative over the last couple of days, but we've got a little uptick in sentiment this morning as the S&Ps are up about 11 handles. Again, volatility has returned to the market, and these traders down here love it. We'll be back on Monday with another MrTopStep update.